Be showing you how to use closed captioning in Zoom while using an Apple computer. So the first thing you'll need to do is open up your system preferences on your Apple computer and turn on speech control, or dictation as it was previously called. You can find this setting in a couple of different places depending on your computer's operating system. For the newer operating systems, it will be found under accessibility. The older operating systems, it will be found under speech. So click on accessibility, and then we're going to scroll down to voice control. If you're using a slightly older operating system, you will see an option here under speech for dictation. But on the latest operating system, it will be under voice control here. Then you will check the box that says enable voice control. You now have a small microphone in the bottom left corner where you can turn dictation on and off. Close the window, open up Zoom, go up to your Zoom preferences, click on General, click on View More Settings. This will now take you to the Zoom website where you can access more Zoom settings. You're going to want to scroll down until you see the closed captioning setting. Right there. Make sure the closed captioning setting is on. If it's not on, turn it on. All right. Then you can close your browser window, go back to Zoom, start a meeting, or join an existing meeting. You are now in a Zoom meeting, and you should see at the bottom your controls. And now that you've turned on closed captioning, you should have this option. So let's click on closed caption. And here, you need to make sure you click I will type. You now have a closed captioning window where you can type in your captions. But we are going to use the Apple dictation or speech control to type for us. So we'll click on Wake Up to make sure dictation is on, and then we can start speaking. Hello, this is a test. Let's try again. It looks like dictation is catching up to everything I was saying because I accidentally had it turned on. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. And then I will put dictation to sleep. So you'll notice that it was a little laggy, a little slow, and part of that is my computer has been working very hard today on Zoom meetings all day. So and it's low on battery too, of course. So those are some factors at play. But it does work. So any text that ends up in this window here will then be shown to a student or anyone who's on the other end of your Zoom meeting because you are the host. So any of the participants in the Zoom meeting will see the closed captioning if they also click on the closed captioning icon in their window and turn closed captioning on. So you will need to tell your participants in your Zoom meetings if they want closed captioning. They will need to make sure that they click on closed captioning and turn closed captioning on. If you have any questions, please send us an email. Thank you.